my name is Kazim and I'm from ClickMox, and there's Kelly with me, and we both are gonna show you how to start with the new MineFly autonomous drone.
Right now I can show you how to control the drone from the tablet. Then right here there's an icon, double click here, and then it's queues in terminal. And then we want a flight panel. Okay, that's okay. Now you can see the map from the LiDAR.
Right here.
Yeah.
And this is all for the configuration.
Yeah. And then you wanna double check the go autonomous check, and if you wanna do a U-turn and check the times out, and then keep safety distance function is on, and then you can change the
value.
Yeah. I think that's too big. Okay. Okay.
So you set this for 5 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, right here, maybe 1.4 meters under the submit. And then right here, the number gonna change here.
Okay.
That's how the system get. So it confirm you send the numbers, the parameters to the system.
Perfect.
And then go back to the controller.
And what keys are there? So turn left, forward, turn right. Just like your radio control, all the keys are here,
Yeah.
and just one key take off and land, and then autonomous.
Yeah. Autonomous, and here that's U-turn. Okay,
Just take off. Okay, perfect.
Then take off.
Autonomous?
So right now you can see the direction. So then you press autonomous. And then the drone gonna go to that way.
when the MineFly autonomous flight mode drone will reach a dead end, it will just take a U-turn and start to come back. We are going to demonstrate that feature right now. It has all the collision avoidance system. If anybody comes any closer to the drone, it's gonna keep itself away from the people around. Hey Jayu, how's your software thing going on?
I think it's really good.
Okay, so I just explained what feature we are gonna test right now.
And then take off.
Okay, let's take off.
And then come back. And then you need the tolerance, just pass, and then the drone is keep going.